makasama kayo ni Liza sa isang project on a movie here in
I think there's a big possibility. Yes, there's a big possibility that can happen.
everyone. Ako po si Janine Gutierrez, and it's such a pleasure to be hosting tonight's very prestigious event where we celebrate the visionaries, the storytellers, the dreamers, and the doers. All the extraordinary people who bring stories to life on the big screen.
Magandang gabi, Eddies. Ako po si Jake Garricito, and I am happy and excited to share the stage with these two very lovely and gorgeous co-hosts of mine here at the spectacular Marriott Grand Ballroom of the Newport World Resorts. And most importantly, I'm honored to be part of this event that celebrates the icons and the movers in the industry.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako naman po si Gabby Garcia, and I'll be one of your hosts for tonight's Eddies. Hindi lang talento ang ating bibigyang parangal this evening is also dedicated to those who have pushed the boundaries and made a difference with their generous hearts and unforgettable contributions to our community.
That's right, and so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to
the 7th Entertainment Editor's Choice.
The creator of this year's Eddies Trophy, our very own, Mr. Leandro Baldemon.
It's an honor to present the Rising Producer Circle Award to Mr. Brian D. of Mentor Productions.
It's an honor to present the Asaya VIB Red Award to our first awardee, Mayor Joy Belmonte.
On behalf of Mayor Joy Belmonte, my daughter, masiga kayo sa akin, it is my pleasure to receive this award. I would like to thank the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors and the 7th Entertainment Editor's Choice, or Eddies, for this recognition. She is truly humbled by this award, a testament to the quality of work that the city government is doing. Like the advocacy of the late Aisa Red, we also try to enrich the lives of Quezon City citizens through various accessible, ethical, and equitable programs and services. This includes our continued support to the media industry. As you very well know, our family remains a part of this industry. It is a pride and honor for us to toil with you, writing articles and beating deadlines for every day. I share this recognition to everyone in the Quezon City government and to the people of Quezon City. Maraming salamat.
It's a great honor to present the Aisa V. Red Award to former Governor Chavit Singson.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. It is an honor na mapasama ko sa mga tunay na awardees. And rest assured that this will encourage me to help more the movie industry and to the people of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
The recipient of this year's Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, the incomparable Miss Corina Sanchez.
Well, earlier, tinatanong po ako kung anong pakiramdam ng isang tumatanggap ng Lifetime Achievement Award. And the very first thing that came to my mind was, old. Old. Parang pumapangalawa lang yung malaking karangalan. But truly, I have been a broadcast journalist for more than 30 years. So wag na po kayo maglabas ng inyong mga calculator. Ako po ay 10 years old lang nung ako'y nagsimula. Parang si Manong Chavit, naging gobernador nung siya'y paslit pa lamang. So parang nga akong pinagpapahinga, ano? But let me tell you, awards like this are really an honor. And it really fuels the likes of me to work even harder. Because pangako ko po sa inyo, marami pa pong mga kwentong kailangang ibahagi, mga taong kailangan tulungan, at mga katotohanan na kailangan talagang malaman ng lahat. Ang akin pong pangarap ay muling manumbalik ang pamamahayag na walang kinatatakutan. Yan. Walang preno. Malapit na ulit. Pero papunta na tayo doon. Marami pong salamat sa Eddies. Magandang gabi po.
Nung unang beses ko po napanood yung Gumburza, sabi ko, my God, ang galing ni Cedric, ang galing ni Dante Rivero, ang galing ni Elijah, ang galing ni Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, lumabas yung character ko nung namatay si Piolo Pascual. Tapos sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang feeling ko, hindi enough yung ginawa kong performance to be noticed and to be recognized. Pero ngayon po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors kasi po, ni-remind nyo sa akin na hindi po haba ng performance sa isang proyekto ang tinitingnan ninyo, but rather how much impact and how much you make your audience feel. So I really appreciate this award, and I'm shaking. I will never forget this night. To our producers, I'd like to thank Jesuits Communication, CMB Films, Media Quest Ventures, and Signal, kasi po tumataya kayo sa paggawa ng kalidad na pelikula kahit sa panahon na ito na napakahirap po kumita ng pelikula ngayon. Third, sa lahat po nung nakasama ko na bumubuo po ng Gumburza, thank you very much for allowing me to work with you, for allowing us to show something that will make us proud as Filipino people. And I share this award to all of you. And last, I'd like to dedicate this sa lahat po ng tao na naghahantay ng hustisya sa bansa natin. Ang kwento po ng Gumburza ay isang representasyon ng mga tao na naghahantay ng hustisya na sana makamit nila. Kaya po, maraming salamat. This night will never be forgotten. Thank you very much, Eddies.
Gladys Reyes!
First nomination ko po, ito sa Eddies. And salamat po at pumasa po sa panlasa ng Speed, members of the press, ang aking pong pagganap sa pelikulang Apag. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre po, kay Direk Brillante Mendoza, it's my first time working with him sa pelikulang ito. Center Stage Productions, Ate Krisma, lahat po ng kasama namin sa production. Of course, my family, siyempre